And we're back to learning Inkscape. A new version dropped today, so there are a couple of updates. I want to go over them in the usual fashion in these short videos. First up, we now have a filter gallery, so you can now see the filter style before you actually apply them, which is definitely helpful. Let me create a text element. I give it a gradient. Let me make that blue and red. And the usual way to apply the filters was to just pick one. Many of them are one-click options. So for example, here the black hole. You can press Ctrl Z. But now we can go to the filter gallery and we can have a look at what these filters look like before we apply them. We'll make that a little bit bigger here. So all the filter categories are listed, and then we can see an example right here. As long as my text is active, so selected, I can click on apply, or I can double click on these little thumbnails of the filters, and then this will be applied. Here, for example, is the black hole under morphology, but you can also use the search bar. So if you know what you're looking for, or you have a certain thing in mind, just type it in. It should pop up then. Some of these effects, they have a menu in itself, so if you double click on them, they will not be applied, but instead the menu will pop up. Let me go to something that I know from memory. I go to a blur, and I double click on the blur, and here's our blur menu that pops up. If you change it and you don't see anything, just make sure that live preview is checked, and then you can see the effect applied in real time. So this hasn't changed compared to version 1.3, but we now have this beautiful gallery right here. Certainly an improvement. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.